Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry I have to take a break. I have to go across live. Anirudh is there. He is in the middle of where the action is. There is firing going on in the background. Anirudh, please be safe as you're reporting this tonight in the heart of the conflict zone. I'm not revealing the exact location where Anirudh is reporting from for his security reasons, Manipur, but he is where the action has happened. Anirudh, please give me a ground report. Don't have to disclose your location precisely for safety reasons, but what is happening there? Anirudh.
Yes, Arnab, we are exactly in the location where the fighting is still on in Imphal West district. The precise location, as you have said, we cannot disclose because of the security concern. Right now, we have just a short while back also, we have witnessed how flares of fires came towards the valley from the foothill areas. It illuminated a huge portion of the area, and the reports that are also coming in that in the evening also, the villagers, the local villagers here, they have witnessed at least 4 to 5 drones flying over in the area, and they suspect that those drones are still flying in this area. Heavy firing is still on from the foothill areas, and the way the Kuki militants have been using the sophisticated drone has caused a lot of concern among the local villagers. They are not inside their home. It is 9:30, you can see, and in 9:30 p.m. in a remote location like this, actually the villagers go for early sleep, but today they are all outside. You can also see women sitting on the road away from their home, fearing that the drones might drop bombs. They have also put the electricity off in this entire locality, fearing because hardly 1 kilometer away from the foothill areas they are located, and they are in the zone where the drones can reach them.
Can you speak
easily.
to any of them about whether they've
but
seen the drones? Any of the people around you have seen the drones?
हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आप लोगों ने आज शाम को भी ड्रोन्स यहाँ पर उड़ते हुए देखा था क्या?
ड्रोन उड़ते हुए देखा है, और ड्रोन से भी बम गिराया है। यही 2 बस्ती का, एक लड़की करीब 21 साल का और एक आदमी करीब 45 साल का, दोनों घायल हुआ है। अभी तो वो जो 21 साल का जो लड़की है वो अभी सीरियस कंडीशन में सीजा हॉस्पिटल में अभी हॉस्पिटलाइज करके ऑपरेशन थिएटर में अभी पड़ा हुआ है।
आज जो ड्रोन
हाँ आज का ड्रोन है के टाइम पे।
ड्रोन के साथ साथ वहाँ से फायरिंग भी करते हैं। कितना राउंड्स फायर किया है आज लगभग उस तरफ से?
करीब वो गोली का आवाज़ तो हम सुना है, लेकिन मोटामोटी हम लोग गिनती करने तो नहीं सकता है। हम लोग तो बिना आर्म्स का पब्लिक है, हम कहाँ से गोली का आवाज़ सुन के हम तो डर के भाग जाता है। तो देखिए हम लोग का इंडिया में और मणिपुर में जो हादसा जो चल रहा है, लेकिन हम क्या कहें, इतना मुसीबत में है और इतना तकलीफ में है।
ड्रोन से कितना बम गिराया गया है आज इस इलाके में?
इस इलाके में आज 4 बम गिराया गया है, और कल ये इम्फाल वेस्ट का कौटरू विलेज में हमारा बस्ती का बगल में 40 बम गिराया है।
यहाँ पर लोग भी आज घरों में भी बम गिराए हैं, घर भी कई डैमेज हुआ है इस इलाके।
हाँ एक घर डैमेज हुआ है,
एक घर आज डैमेज हुआ है।
हाँ।
Yes, Arnab, you can hear the villagers who are out on the streets. They fear going back to their home. There is a sense of insecurity among the people out here. And as they have said, today at least 4 bombs have been dropped with the help of drone. And yesterday it was literally raining bombs in this area, as at least 60 bombs were dropped, 10 didn't went off, 50 exploded in this area, Arnab.